So this is a Meera Vatika backside view with strawberry farms. Let's go to the restaurant and check all people sitting around having the breakfast. Let's check for the review. How is it? Hello sir. Hi. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, कसं वाटलं? Can you just please share me your experience at?
खूप छान. Food is also awesome and rooms are also awesome.
Sir?
Spacious rooms, nice bathroom,
Okay.
big complex.
Oh, great. Thank you, sir. It was pleasure. I hope you're enjoying your breakfast. Hello, sir.
हॅलो
Hello, ma'am. Hi. कसं वाटलं सर ॲट मीरा वाटिका?
खूप छान लोकेशन आहे आणि प्रॉपर्टी छान मॅनेज केलेली आहे.
ओके.
फूड पण चांगलं आहे आणि तुमची हॉस्पिटॅलिटी पण चांगली आहे.
थँक्यू सर मॅम. 2 words.
एक्सिलेंट. खूप छान वेदर आहे. थंड आहे, छान आहे. तुमची हॉस्पिटॅलिटी पण खूप छान आहे.
थँक्यू मॅम.
थँक्यू.
दीदी हाऊ वॉज इट?
Yeah, nice climate. Everything was nice.
Thank you. Enjoying your breakfast? Great. That's good. Hello sir. कसं वाटतंय?
एकदम छान
आवडतंय मीरा वाटिकाला?
आवडतं.
ब्रेकफास्ट अँड ऑल?
हो, awesome.
थँक्यू. आवडलं मॅम?
येस.
हॅलो सर. हाय. How was it at Meera Vatika? Liked it? How was the breakfast and all?
So much tasty.
Thank you. Hello Tejas sir.
Hello, Pankaj.
How are you?
Amazing, amazing.
Hello ma'am. Dharmesh sir.
Hello.
Great. Please, I would like your good review. As you know us since long time, you are a very old client. Please share me your experience.
We
Like,
had a fantastic stay.
Okay.
So, tried it for the first time and good location, prime location. The weather was good.
Service is
And
good.
service was good. Good hospitality. So now looking forward to stay in the villa also.
Meera Villa.
So that's something I'll.
You need a group, a bigger group for that.
Yes, but I'll surely plan something for this.
Please, anytime, sir. You're most
Very, very
welcome for that.
And the
Thank you.
weather was amazing. Didn't feel like it's summers.
Ah,
So, the evenings were very pleasant.
Okay.
And chill. So,
And particularly, I would like to appreciate your hospitality at
Thank
each level, from reception till the service. It was a good hospitality and always laughing. So we enjoyed a lot.
yes.
Thank you so much. Tejas sir.
I mean, yes, hospitality definitely is top notch, and that is what is important for you, for any guest. So you are doing amazing, Pankaj. Keep doing this great
Thank
job
you.
that you are doing.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you guys. It was pleasure you being out here. Thank you so much for your review.